received an email from Google that I'm running low on space. The message appeared in my inbox with a big warning. You'll stop getting emails in 1 month from now. And on top of this, this is what they sent. You're out of storage. So what that means is that I cannot send emails in Gmail or receive them. I cannot upload documents or create files in Google Drive, and I won't be able to upload photos from my phone to the Google Photos cloud. So that means I can't do anything unless I take action. And here's what they give you the opportunity to do. You could either get more storage, which comes with a monthly fee, or you could clean up your space. I'm going to take the latter. I'm going to clean up my space, and I'm going to show you how you could do the same thing. My name is Paul. This is Computer Doctor Tech, so stay tuned and let's get started. So to begin the cleanup process to have more storage is we have to double click on our Google Chrome icon. That's a multicolored looking lifesaver. If it says internet on it, but it's a multicolored looking icon, well, that's Google Chrome. So you'll open that up by double clicking it. Now, we want to make the window larger, so if yours is already full screen, leave it as it is. If yours is not full screen, bring your mouse over here next to the X button, and to the left of that is maximize, so you'll click that to make a full screen. If you have a different window other than Google open, then you want to go to google.com. So click on the address bar up here so you can type in google.com. Press enter and it brings you to this page. Now we want to click on this Google Apps 9-dotted box, which will bring us this menu. Locate Drive, a multicolored triangle, and click on that. This brings us to the window where all our items are going to be located. However, we don't want to go according to different items. We want to go according to what is taking up that space. The way we figure that out is we have to click on storage, 90, whatever your percentage is. Mine's 99% full. Over here, 99% full. Storage, click on that. This now shows us a legend that allows us to know how much storage is being used in what parts of Drive. And my Google Drive is in blue, and your Google Drive will be in blue too. But my Google Drive is what's consuming most of my space here. My Google Photos is in orange and is not taking up a lot of space, and my Gmail is not taking up a lot of space either. So it's primarily my Google Drive. So what we want to do now is click on clean up space, and it'll categorize for us what we can do to clean up. So scroll down to the bottom here. Mine was in blue, as it shows here, Google Drive. If yours is Gmail, click on that. If yours is Google Photos, that's consuming space, click on that. But mine's Google Drive. I'm going to click on that, open it up, and we could see all our items. What you want to do is click on size largest first and click on this button called list view. That's going to show us the size of all our files, and even when we uploaded them. So what we want to do is select the largest files first, but we want to make sure that we don't remove something that we want to keep. So go through your listing and click on the checkbox. So you're not going to keep that. You're going to remove that, delete that when you click that delete button. Just a warning though. It will also give you the warning. When you click on that delete button and you confirm, you are going to not be able to have that file anymore. It's unrecoverable. Now I'm going to click on this first one, which is 828 megabytes. I'm going to click delete. Here it's going to ask us for confirmation. Now also, if you're sharing this file with anyone, they won't have access to it anymore once you delete that. So keep that in mind. Click on that checkbox to confirm that you understand what you're doing, and then click that red permanently delete button. Give it a chance. It tells you she got that space back. Click that X, and now click Not Now. Don't worry about the offer because we're not going for the offer. Click Not Now. Now we could go back, close this window, go back to Drive like we're here, click this refresh button right over here. So this way we have more view of what we have saved. We're down to 14 gigs. And as you can see, my gray area, my empty space has increased. We're going to do this again one more time. I'm going to click on the storage button right here. Okay, I'm going to click on the cleanup space right here. I'm going to go to my Google Drive again down there. I'm going to click on my list view, and I'm going to get rid of another item. This time I'm going to get rid of a few items. I know that they're very large files, as I could see. These are over 800 megabytes. What these are AVIs. They're movies that I uploaded. So this way, if I want to watch a movie somewhere on my phone, for example, when I'm out and about, I can do that. Well, I don't need this on here anymore. So I'm going to just click delete. Going to confirm. I understand this. Permanently delete it. It's unrecoverable. I got back this time to almost 2.5 gigs of space. So now I'm going to close this window again. I'm going to refresh this drive again. And now we're going to see that I really reclaimed a lot of space. Now I'm down to 11 gigs. I hope this video was helpful to you on how to reclaim your space on Google Drive so you can continue sending and receiving emails, uploading photos, and creating documents and sharing with others. My name is Paul. This is Computer Doctor Tech. Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.